fix VCOMP140.DLL error in Windows. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search Microsoft C++ redistribute table. Here you'll find latest supported visuals. Click on it. Scroll down in here and you will find different links. Simply download the version that is accessible to your device. After it's downloaded, do all the processes of installing it. As it is being downloaded, it's downloaded. Now you can simply click on it and then click on I agree and install. After you do everything, start your device, and after restarting your device, open command prompt and type in sfc space /scan now, press on enter, and then type in dism space /online /cleanup -image /restore health and press on enter and you're good to go. After this, restart your device and then you will be able to access. And this is how to fix VCOMP140.DLL error in Windows. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.